Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to send the messages with the laser effect on iPhone. For example, if you want to send your messages on iMessage with a different style on your iPhone iOS 18, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. And in general, you have to simply click on software update. And here you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS. And after checking the iOS update, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. And after going back, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the iMessage app. And here what you have to do, you have to simply open the person chat of the person you want to send the message. Now what you have to do, you have to simply type a message you want to send to that person. And after that, you have to simply press and hold that arrow button here. And here you can simply find a new menu here. So here you can simply select on screen. And after that, you have to simply swipe to the right so that you can simply add special effects all with your messages. And after that, what you have to do, you can simply search for that special uh, laser effect on your message. And after that, as you click on that arrow button, your message will be sent as the laser effect message. So in this way, you can simply send messages with all these special effects on your iPhone iOS 18 if you have the latest iOS. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.